like a lotus bloom.
Hello creators, today I'm going to teach you how you can generate unlimited images, videos, and even AI generated songs. The best part, no one can judge these creations because they are all AI generated. Check out this YouTube channel, the Dar Brothers. This channel use AI generated songs and videos and they are making handsome money. Check out their subscribers and views. Remember, they uploaded just only few videos. Isn't this awesome? This channel is also monetized and making a good amount, as you can see on the screen. If you're running a faceless YouTube channel or wanted to start one, this video is for you. Just like this channel is making money, you can do it too. I will guide you by step, so let's get started and make sure you pay close attention to this. Let's start with the step 1. First of all, we need a prompt for our images. So we'll use ChatGPT. I always use ChatGPT for this, and this is the same prompt I've used in my video. I'm going to copy this prompt and use it to generate an images. I will leave this prompt in the description so you can use it too. Without wasting time, let's move on to step 2. I have made a lot of videos on how to generate free AI images, and many AI tools are available now to create AI images. But my favorite is Flux and IMAGEN model. Let's head over to the image effects. There are few regions this is not available. You can try the next favorite one, Flux through Korea. You can try both and you will get nearly the same results on both. Currently, I'm going with the image effects and I'll give you the link in the description. As you can see, it's very user-friendly. Here you can write your prompt and select the aspect ratio. I will paste the same prompt that ChatGPT gave me. Since I'm making this for YouTube, I'll choose 16:9. Once everything is set, click on generate button. It's generating our image. And look at the result. Isn't it awesome? No other AI can generate images like this for free. You can use these images for a wide range of content. When you are satisfied with the image, just click the download button or you can still regenerate them. This Google image effects is hands down the best when it comes to generating a perfect realistic images for free. Let's move on to step 3, turning the images into videos. We have 2 AI tools for this and both are free with a few limitations. The first AI-powered image to video generator on the list is Minimax AI. This tool has been incredible for me for the past 4 months and it's consistently delivered outstanding results. I will leave the link in the descriptions below. To get started, just click on the create button, then upload your image and enter your prompt. For this demonstration, I will use the same prompt as before. You can also choose a different model, but I will stick with the current one for consistency. With the free plan, you can generate up to 3 videos at a time. Once your video is ready, you can generate more. Let's click generate. Once the process begins, your video will be added to the queue. For this demo, I'm generating 2 videos. Keep in mind that the process may take some time, especially during the peak hours. To speed up, I recommend generating the videos in the off-peak time when there is a less demand. And here we go, our video is ready now. As you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. There is no morphing, no missing parts. The final result is incredible, realistic, resembling a real man and woman here. Imagine the endless contents you can create using this tool, all for free. It is easy to use and with a bit of creativity, you can generate a high quality videos. Trust me, many people are already making significant money by leveraging this process. Now, let's explore one more KLING AI image video feature. Click on AI video, choose your model, upload your images and enter your prompt. I'll stick with the same one for consistency. Next, select your video mode. KLING AI allows you to generate up to 5 professional mode videos, which is amazing for now. I'll go with the standard mode. You can also choose the video durations, either 5 or 10 seconds. Since no other AI offers a 10-second duration, this is a great feature here. Once you're ready, click generate. Check out the results. It looks like a perfect real character. Imagine the amazing contents you can create using this free AI. Many people are already making a lot of money with it. Now, the interesting thing is, let's move on to the generating AI songs. Suno.com is an incredible platform that creates AI song with the real character voices, and you can do that in any languages. Simply sign up using your email and click on create button. I will provide the link in the description for easy access. Here you can see I've generated a few songs for testing purpose. Let's go ahead and check them out.
The moonlit groves of Vrindavan's land, Krishna's flute plays soft in my hand.
Once you sign in, you will see this interface. Select the latest V4 model, then write your song lyrics in the prompt. If you don't have lyrics ready, ChatGPT can help to generate them. Alternatively, you can generate an instrumental background music. Select your music style, title of the song, and click generate. Here we go. Suno.com has provided 2 song options for you. Let's listen to them.
In the moonlit groves of Vrindavan's land,
whichever one matches to your need, you can download them. After all this, gather all your stuff like the songs, videos, picture, whatever, and then put it in some kind of an editor like a CapCut or wherever you want it, and then just compile your video. Boom, you're ready to go for upload.
In the moonlit groves of Vrindavan's land, Krishna's flute plays soft in my hand. Venus strums the notes of a love so grand. Nityanangam's call says take a stand. Radha's eyes like lotus bloom. Her heart beats fast in Krishna's tune. Soft are the whispers under the moon. Love's promise blooming soon. Oh Krishna, your playful ways draw Radha into your embrace. Flute and Veena in a heartfelt race to capture this divine grace.
These free AI tools like Suno.com for song generations and KLING AI for image and video generations open up endless opportunity for the creativity and income generation. Found this tutorial helpful? Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notifications bell for more tips on AI tool and creative hacks. Let me know in the comments whatever your question is and I will try to answer for it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy creating!